Hello everyone, I am Chalama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed up to 25 problems in level 2. This is 26th question. The area bounded by the curves x is equal to y square and x is equal to 3 minus 2y square. Now first write the curves. One is y square is equal to x. Another one is x is equal to 3 minus 2y square. This is we can write 2y square is equal to 3 minus x and y square is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. These are the two curves. Now solve the curves, then we get point of intersection. Y square is equal to x. Now in place of x substitute y square. Y square is equal to 3 minus 2y square. 3y square is equal to 3. Then y square is equal to 1. Y is equal to plus or minus 1. If y is equal to 1, x also 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. X is 1 only. So finally we got 2 point of intersections. One is 1 comma 1. Another one is 1 comma minus 1. Now draw the curves, draw the graph. So these are coordinate axis, origin. Y square is equal to x means we know the curve. This is the curve. Okay. Here see that what is the vertex of the parabola? Both are parabolas only. Vertex is 3 comma 0. So I am expecting that 3 comma 0 is here approximately. This is a vertex of the parabola and the parabola is in the form of y square is equal to minus 4x. The curve is like this. Now the curve is like this. This is the curve. Now see here, this line is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. And this point is minus 1 and this point is plus 1. See that the total area is symmetrical about x-axis and the line x is equal to 1 also. Okay, x is equal to 1, leave it. The total area is symmetrical about x-axis. So I am going to find one of the part, that is required area. Required area or no problem. You will take total area. How to take? I am taking the limits y values. So observe these direction. Then tell me which is the upper limit, which is the lower limit. Upper limit is second curve. Lower limit is first curve. Yes or no? So that is 3 minus 2y square. So this is not upper limit. Upper curve minus lower curve into dy. I am taken limits y values. The function also take y only. Now students calculate this minus 2y square minus y square minus 3y square or not. So take 3 common, remaining minus 1 to 1 1 minus y square dy. Apply the integration 3 into y, integration 1 dy y minus y cube divided by 3. Limit -1 to 1. Substitute upper limit first. You'll get 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. Minus. Substitute lower limit -1 plus 1 by 3. -1 plus 1 by 3. Students, observe here. What is the correct answer? 3 into, this is first one, 2 by 3 minus, this is minus 2 by 3, minus to minus plus 2 by 3. Is correct? Yeah. Now finally, what is the answer, students? 4. LCM is 3. 3 is going to cancel. Answer is 4 square units. So correct answer is second option. So this is the total required area. This is a previous MSET question. See the question number 27. The area of the region bounded by x is equal to -1, x is equal to 2, and y is equal to x square plus 1, and the line y is equal to 2x minus 2. So here limits already given. Just to draw the diagram, then you will understand. First, y is equal to x square plus 1 curve given. Actually, this is parabola. But observe that, what is the vertex? X square is equal to y minus 1. So what is the vertex of the parabola here? Vertex, that is 0, 1. And the line given y is equal to 2x minus 2. Just draw the diagram, then you will understand very easily. This is. So 0, 1 means this lies on positive x-axis. I think the parabola is like this. This is the parabola. We know that y is equal to mx. This is the curve. What is the y is equal to 2x minus 2? I think below origin. This is now approximately. This is y is equal to 2x minus 2. 2x plus 2 means above the line y is equal to mx. Yes or no, students? Now two more lines given. X is equal to -1 and x is equal to 2. So I am expecting that here is -1 and here is 2. Not exactly, approximately I am taking. Draw the lines. This is the line. X is equal to -1. And this is x is equal to 2. This is a line y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now the required area is this. This is the required area. Friends, how to find this area between the limits -1 to 2? So directly we can write the answer. Required area that is equal to limits -1 to 2. Observe that upper curve, that is parabola, x square plus 1 minus lower curve is straight line, that is 2x minus 2. Yes or no? Now apply the integration and substitute the limits, you will get the answer. -1 to 2, x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. Now substitute apply the integration. You will get x cube by 3 minus 2 into x square by 2 plus 3x limits minus 1 to 2. Here 2 to cancel. First substitute upper limit. What we get? 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 4 plus 6. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 3. So in first term take the LCM 3 minus 4 plus 6 mean that is 2. We will get 8 plus 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 now. So here get 1 by 3 plus 4. That means 13 by 3. Overall 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 13 27 by 3. 27 by 3 means that is how much? 9 square units. Third option is correct. Now students, see the 28th question. The area bounded between the parabolas x square is equal to y by 4 and x square is equal to 9y, and the straight line y is equal to 2. They are given two parabolas and one straight line y is equal to. First to draw the diagram, then you will understand. See here, both are parabolas only. The two x square is equal to 4ay form. Yes or no? X square is equal to 4ay form. Now first I am going to draw that x square is equal to 9y. This is not exactly, approximately. Intersecting at origin. Then x square is equal to y by 4. Here 4a value is one of the curve is 1 by 4. Another 4a value is 9. So here observe that. By observing that, I am drawing the graph. This is another. Okay, students. And y is equal to 2 given. This is parallel to x-axis. This is y is equal to 2. And this is x square is equal to 9y. And this is x square is equal to y by 4. Now, which is the required area? This is the required area. Now see here, the two areas are same. Find any one of the area. Enough. Now, required area is equal to 2 into integration limits 0 to 2. 2 is y value, origin also 0 comma 0, you know very well. So I am taking y values. Function also write y only. See here, x square is equal to y by 4. That is the upper curve. Observe this direction. This is upper curve. X square is equal to 9y is the lower curve. That's it. X is equal to 2. 3y power 1 by 2. I think what I am written that is wrong. Here curves is different. I want to change the curves. This is 9y. Actually, this is 9y. That is y by 4. Y by 4. Now write the upper curve. You will get 3 power 1 by 2 minus lower curve y power 1 by 2 by 2. If you are not understood which is upper curve, which is lower curve, then put modulus enough, no problem. Okay. Now 2 into 3, y power 1 by 2 integration, y power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus here y power 3 by 2 divided by 2 into 3 by 2. Limit 0 to 2. Students, here observe that 3 cancel, here 2 cancel. Now 2 into 2, y power 3 by 2, substitute 2 power 3 by 2, that is 2 root 2 minus, here also 2 root 2 divided by 3 into minus, substitute lower limit, you will get 0 only. Now 2 into, this is 4 root 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 2, 10, 10 root 2 by 3. Overall answer 20 root 2 by 3. This is the required area. First option is correct.